Hey everyone, welcome to Homeschool. Hope everybody are doing great. So all class 10, 11 and 12 students, I am here in this video to reveal an Independence Day offer for you all. So I am giving a free access to all my courses. I do have courses on class 10, class 11 JEE NEET, class 12 JEE NEET. So here I have come up with an offer of giving free access to all my courses. So first let me explain about what courses I have in my homeschool applications. All these courses are available in our homeschool application. I mean Nalini Homeschool is the name of the application. So in that application, I have complete class 10 science course. I have complete class 11 chemistry course. I have complete class 12 chemistry course where the concepts are covered from basic to depth, and the courses are very much helpful for your JEE preparation and NEET preparation. Okay, first let me explain course by course for you all. Okay, so first coming to a class 10 science course, right? See, the moment you come into my application, I'll give a code and link for the free course access, guys. So through that link, given link which is provided in the description, and also the link is provided in the comment section also. Through that link, you can access to my free course. So the moment you come to a course, this is a class 10 course I am showing you first. Later I will show class 11, class 12. Okay, so stay till the end. Watch the complete video so that you will get to know what is there inside every course. Because hundreds of students have purchased these courses and they have got wonderful results. Many of the class 10 students have got 100 on 100 in science by taking up this course, and they all are doing very well in their class 11 and 12 too. So many students got very good score in JEE and NEET by taking my class 11 and 12 chemistry courses. So they have 100% proof. Okay, so I have a track record of hundreds of students who succeeded 100% by taking up these courses. So such courses you are getting for free. So watch the video till the end, guys. So coming to the class 10 course, the moment you take up this course, this is our application page. Nalini Homeschool, okay, is the application. So the moment you come into the course, you will see the four options like feed, workshops, courses and messages. All class 10 concepts are covered in a recorded video format. All concepts from basic to depth I have covered in the form of recorded videos. So you will get access to around 200 recorded videos where all concepts covered from basic to depth, all NCERT questions solved, and many more. You will get toppers handwritten notes also. So I'll also show you how my notes look like. It is not like a usual notes. So the moment you look at the notes, you feel like studying actually. So such wonderful notes are available in the course actually. Okay, so guys, so when you come to the course, you will see these modules. So this is a module. So here I have covered all basics. If you are weak in basics, you can't understand the concept. Everybody knows that, right? So first module is on basics. Okay, so the moment you open this module, okay, you will see chemistry basics. The moment you open this module, look at here. I first have two videos on foundation. Like I have set up a context for you. So I have given some tools and techniques of setting up your mindset. Okay, so I'll be working on your mindset part also. So that is the another speciality of the course actually. Say if you look at here, chemistry basics. So you have videos on matter, atom, periodic table, electronic configuration, valence electrons. All basics, all necessary basics are covered along with the assignments. Okay, so I have given some questions to check your ability of understanding, right? And after that we do have physics basics here. So if you come to a physics basic, light, reflection, refraction, all about the charges, electricity basics, and all of them are covered in physics basics. Okay, and later you have a biology basic. Okay, so all these topics are covered in a biology basics, right? So this is how our first module looks like. Okay, so what is our first module? It is all about the basics. Now coming to the chemistry module. So here you will observe all chemistry chapters. So you have chemical reactions equations, acid, bases, salts, metals, non-metals, and carbon compounds, right? So you will see chemical reactions and equations. All these videos are there, and these videos are not same as YouTube videos. They are different. Okay, these are recently made videos specially for 2026 board examination. Okay, this is made for you. Okay, so all these are recent videos. I have added recently discovered tips, okay, tricks, and I have solved all the questions of NCERT, and after every reaction I have included the respective experiment. And if you look at here, look at the one experiment I will show you. Say this is the concept. Displacement and double displacement reactions I have explained in this video very neatly, and after that displacement reaction experiment I did, double displacement reaction experiment I did. For example, look at the displacement reaction experiment. So that copper sulfate and iron experiment is there. Very important concept, isn't it, where questions are framed. In this demonstration, I am going to show you one of the very important equation, that is displacement reaction. Okay, so you have studied that the moment iron name is added to copper sulfate solution, blue color of copper sulfate changes, right? So that particular reaction is what we are going to learn now practically. So first and foremost, let me ask you, what is displacement reaction? You would tell, the highly reactive element displaces less reactive element from its salt solution, right? So here, and this was the iron nail. Already I have dipped in the solution and took it out. See the brown color deposited on the iron. Yes, I just forwarded the video because I cannot show everything here, right? So this is just the example. Okay, like that after every concept, okay, like that after every reaction, you know, the experiment, live demonstration experiment is involved. Okay, see the notes is given, and acid, bases, salts. Here also, see, once indicators was explained, indicators experiment is there. Okay, like that, see, reaction of acids with metal carbonates theory. Its related experiment is there. Experiment on neutralization is there. So when you see everything with your own eyes, you know, you will not forget them, right? So that is the, you know, speciality of the course, guys. Right? So all these are, see, experiment on crystallization, metals, non-metals chapter, all concepts are covered in this recorded videos. These videos are not similar to YouTube. YouTube videos are very old, but these are newly made, customized videos, specially for 2026 batch. Okay. So that is how this is the chemistry module. And coming to the extraordinary physics module, guys. The moment we say physics, you know, many students feel difficulty with the problems. Those problems I have solved. Every problem of your NCERT textbook is solved with tricks and tips. Okay, so amazing solutions you have for the problems and ray diagrams, electricity, everything I have shown it live for you. Okay, so let me open the course physics module. See this first chapter I have uploaded here is light, reflection and refraction. See all these are concepts. Look at here. I taught you ray diagrams of concave mirror. Below that, ray diagrams experiment. Let us watch this ray diagrams experiment. You will never forget ray diagrams when you see it visually. See guys, have a visual experience. Hey everyone, in this video we will learn the ray diagrams of concave mirror. Okay, so first let me explain the setup what I have done. You can also try yourself at your house, and you can try in the school where you can show it to your teacher, or you can impress your friends, whoever it may be. Okay, see here I have taken a concave mirror here. So you can see this concave mirror is bulged inwards, and I'll just forward a little bit because it's a long video. Just I'll show somewhere in the middle once again. So it is a ulta flame that you can see exactly in between F and C. Okay, so this is F and this is C. See, I got my image somewhere here, very clear. But it is diminished only. The image is not. See, okay, so all the ray diagrams I have explained in this format here. Okay, so concept and experiment, that is how the course is designed, and all NCERT questions are solved. If you look at here, see exercise problems of light chapter. Okay, light conceptual questions. Say, let me show you how I have solved exercise problems. Every step I have solved, including tricks and tips. Okay, so that is the difference of the course. Hey everyone, welcome to another wonderful video where I am solving numerical questions of your in-text and exercise question. I'll just forward this a bit. Just look at the glance, like how every step is being solved. Okay, just I'll draw that. 2F1 and this is my F2 and this is my 2F. So this is how every numerical is solved from your NCERT. Nothing is skipped out. Okay, so that is about the light chapter. And coming to the electricity, it is same guys. Okay, electricity is another like marvelous concept where the concepts have come out really great. Okay, so they are all 100 times greater and interesting videos as compared to the YouTube videos. You all appreciate me for my YouTube videos, right, which I have posted 3 years back, 2 years back, but these are 100 times more entertaining, more interesting, more informative than them, because I have also evolved during the course. Okay, see Ohm's law and must know math tricks. So in between, physics is all about question solving numericals, where you have to be strong with the basic math, right, and you can't take longer time for the problem. So I have taught you some tricks and tips to do easy multiplications, divisions and etc. Okay, so here everything you can see, problems on power nodes, electricity nodes. Okay, so problems on combination of resistors. So after every concept I have covered and I have solved the problems. So this is about the physics module. So now coming to the biology module, guys. Biology is another wonder where I have included animations for every concept. Okay, so beautiful animations have come in every video. You will find the animation. Okay, so without an animation you don't have any video here. Okay, so in the concept itself, when I explain concept, I included the animations. All of them have turned out out wonderful and beautiful. So that is about my biology course module. All biology chapters, physics chapters and chemistry chapters are available. Along with that, some experiments I have made it as a separate module for you all, and these are my inner circle calls. Okay, see, every week in the course, not only the recorded videos and notes and etc., every Sunday evening 7 to 9 is a live class. So where you can ask me question and answers. Okay, I will solve your doubts, and not only that, I will work on your mindset. I will teach you some meditations. I will teach you some tricks, tips. Look at here. First inner circle call was on question and answer session. Second inner circle call, question and answer. Third inner circle call, I taught them how to make notes. Okay, making notes is very important thing for a topper. Okay, so toppers make notes differently. So those ways I taught them. In next live class, I taught them soul sync meditation, which is a meditation which can improve your concentration. With this meditation, you can get whatever you want in life. This is a magic meditation to get whatever you want in life. Okay, so and then next inner circle, see, I have started revision, whole chapter revisions also I am doing it in the live class. Already chemical reactions equations revision is over, nutrition revision is over, life process complete revision is over. And in case if you miss the live class on every Sunday, their recordings are available. You can watch them whenever you want. Not only this, guys, there is a section called feed section. It is like Instagram for my students. My students have stopped watching Instagram, Now they are in this, where they can post their doubts. See, this person has posted the doubt in 28 minutes ago. He has put one question. He is asking the answer from his friends. See, there people are, people are answering. See, please ask anyone reduction or oxidation, like that they are chatting here, just like chatting in Instagram. No, they are chatting here, but they are chatting about the subject. Okay, see the wonderful questions, very challenging questions. Some of them are putting very, very challenging questions, right? So all these they can, like, you will get to know so many students across the country. So from different parts of the country, students have joined to my course, and they are clarifying with their doubts. People are answering, right? So this is their chat section, and I do have gamification also here. Look at here. So all-time winner, monthly winners, weekly winners, for watching videos, for having a conversation like that, you will have points. The one with the highest points will get rewards at the end of the year. Okay, they'll have nice goodies and gifts from me. Okay, so you have a pointing system here where I can track how you are learning. See, Danush G is a weekly winner. This person is a second winner. Anvita is a third person winner so far. So this is how the course is designed, and this is like a private message thing for your group. Here also people will post the questions where I will answer them, because every Sunday at 7 anyway I am meeting. But in between the week, if they get any doubt, if they want to ask me anything urgently, they will ask here. Okay, so they will post here the question. Okay, so I'll be posting if I have any updates. Okay, and they will be asking a particular question and answer. So this is a class 10 community, and this is a boot camp community, and I have a community for class 11. I have a community for class 12. Like this, class wise communities are there, where the interaction will happen between me and you all. Okay, so this is all about the 10th course. If you are a 10th student watching this, isn't this kind of course that you require, right? Yes, every 10th standard student deserves this kind of course here. So my intention is to bring the children out from rote learning. That is why I have designed such wonderful course here. Okay, so I want you all to come into the course. So that is the reason. If you want to experience the videos, I am giving one free course for you all, where light, reflection, refraction videos are completely given for free. 1 week freely you can access to my course. Which chapter is available in that free course? Light, reflection, refraction is available along with the notes here. Okay, so you can experience the videos and then you can actually come into my community by paying some amount. Okay, very reasonable prices I have for all these courses. Okay, so and if you want to come into the community by paying full, then you have Independence Day offer also. Okay, you can use Independence Day offer to access to all the chapters. But if you want to see and think, okay, if you want to experience first and then come into the course, yes, one free chapter I am giving you. Light chapter you can enjoy, biggest chapter, difficult chapter I am giving you for free. You watch it for 1 week and then you can decide and come into the course. Okay, so for the free course, link is given below in the comment section as well as in the description. So through the link you can access to the free course, and even if you want to come to a complete course, Independence Day offer is there. This offer you will never get once again. You can directly jump into the complete course also. Okay, so this is all about class 10 course, guys. Okay, and if you want to see how my notes look like, you can have a look at my notes, guys. Okay, look at here. Acid, bases, salts is the chapter I am showing you. So beautiful notes with diagrams, crisp points. Okay, it is these points that you require to prepare for your board exams. Okay, if something is there in the form of essay type, we don't feel like studying. How many of you have that heart to open NCERT and read? NCERT textbook looks so boring, right? We don't feel like studying, right? So that is the reason the entire NCERT I have converted something like this in a very attractive way and in a fun way. This is how my courses looks like: acid basis differences, about the indicators. So look at the indicators, okay? And I would be giving some questions in between to solve along with the answers, right? So this is just the sample notes I am showing. All the chapters are this way, colorful, okay, colorful, attractive, very crisp points. How much ever is required, that many points you would observe in the notes, okay. So all these things you can witness, and these are question and answers. Okay, textbook in text and exercise question and answers I gave at the end. Okay, not only this, guys, from December and November I will be keeping lot of mock test. I will be solving lot of questions during inner circle calls. I mean, every Sunday 7 o'clock I conduct a class, I said no. So in those classes I'll be solving lots and lots of board questions, application questions, all kinds of questions will be solved. Okay, so this is about the notes that I wanted to tell. Okay, so that's all about the class 10 course, guys. How many of you have loved this course and how many of you are ready to jump into these courses without even thinking? Comment in the comment section for any queries about a course, okay, how to purchase, how to enter into free course. For any queries, WhatsApp number is given in the comment section and also in the description. Okay, so please refer to the WhatsApp number for any queries. Okay, so that is all about the 10th course. Coming to class 11 chemistry course, this is another amazing course where the concepts are covered from basic to advanced level. Okay, where all the videos are very much helpful for your CBSE boards. They can be helpful for whatever the state board that you belong to. They're highly helpful for JEE preparation and NEET preparation, guys. So using these videos, many people have gained lot of knowledge. They became so much confident to crack the competitive exams with ease. Okay, so don't miss these courses. They are all available for reasonable prices. But if you want one chapter for free, I have an access for you. You can come into the free course where one chapter you get to experience. You can see all videos of one chapter. Validity would be there for 1 week, so you can experience how the videos are, how the content is, and then you can come into the complete course. Okay, So let me explain what is there in class 11 course. So I have class 11 and 12 basics. So if you lack any fundamentals after 10th, okay, if you feel class 11 so difficult, class 12 so difficult, one reason can be your basics. So to improve the basics, I have included all the necessary basics. I have included multiplication tricks, writing numbers in scientific notation, significant figures, unit conversions, molecular weight, average atomic mass, finding log antilog. Log antilog is very important for chemistry and physics, right? And differentiation integration concept for chemistry. Even in chemistry, in most of the physical chemistry chapters, you have to use differentiation and integrations. So basic differentiation integration, how much ever is necessary for chemistry, that much I thought. Okay, so all these are recorded sessions. Okay, so along with that, yeah, this is all about the basics I covered for class 11 and 12. And coming to the class 11, some basic concepts of chemistry, structure of atom. Okay, so you have classification of elements, chemical bonding. You have an amazing videos on chemical bonding with lot of tricks that can be helpful for competitive exams, trick on hybridization. Everything is available. You can just enjoy all these chapters. And thermodynamics, equilibrium, I must show you by opening eyes. Thermodynamics and equilibrium are the two difficult chapters of class 11. I mean, I don't say they are difficult. Many of the students feel they are difficult. But once you listen to my concept videos, you will never feel them difficult. The way I solve the competitive questions, see, all of them, thermodynamics, the Hess law, bond enthalpy, competitive aspects separately I have covered. So till video number 12 is the NCERT concepts in depth, whereas from video number 13 all the competitive models I have covered. Okay, so I have shown, see, one video I'll play and show you. So hey everyone, in this video let us discuss some simple concepts and the tricks involved relating to terms of thermodynamics. So thermodynamics has lot of terms, different terms like state functions, path functions, processes, different types of thermodynamic processes. I'll just forward a bit more. Okay, so just somewhere here. Based on extensive and intensive, right? The questions can be framed specially based on the examples here. Nothing is specially based on the example, something like this. Okay, so that is all about intensive and extensive, you should know. Now let us talk about the thermodynamic processes. Isothermal process, isobaric process. What is the meaning and how do their graphs look like? This is important. You have isothermal process, right? So isothermal process is any process that you do, anything that you do to a particular system, any change that you bring out in a particular system at constant temperature. If you do it at constant temperature, okay, done or you, this is how. Okay, so all the concepts, competitive concepts are explained in the advanced level separately, guys. Okay, so I had given Hess law trick. You have to watch this amazing video, yeah. So this trick nobody will tell you. I'm telling you, nobody will tell you this trick. Okay, I have solved amazing questions, and once you know the trick, you can just solve the Hess law related questions with the blink of your eye. Okay, you don't even keep the pen on a paper, you can easily guess the answer for competitive exam. Okay, so such tricks you have. Okay, so that is about thermodynamics. And similarly you have equilibrium also. Equilibrium is another chapter I don't know why many students feel difficulty with. Okay, so even in equilibrium, if I just I'm opening these two chapters because the toughest chapters, and if I show you will get to know how the content is, right? So that's the reason I'm opening these chapters. See, competitive aspects, see, all till video number 16, all the concepts of NCERT, basic to advanced. From video number 17, the competitive aspects will start. So I have explained few tricks, few extra things that you are supposed to study for competitive. So those aspects I covered along with the questions. Okay, here and there, lot of tricks are involved here. So the solubility product, you have to see that video, guys. The excellent thing. So look at the notes, experience the notes here. So this is the handwritten notes I gave. From the resources you can download the notes actually. See guys, this is ionic equilibrium notes I'm showing you all. See, this is the topper's handwritten notes, strong electrolytes, weak electrolytes. So how dissociation occurs. So the moment you read these notes, you don't require any big reference books and NCERT, guys, I'm telling you. Because even for a class 11 student, reading NCERT is a very big challenging. He or she do not understand anything. Okay, so but if you look at this notes, you can see even the question. Okay, every concept you will have a question, because this is a topper's handwritten notes, so they would definitely solve a question after the concept, right? So you will have lot of questions, example questions. They are solved neatly step by step. Okay, so you can witness this is how the notes looks like. Okay, and you have all chapters here. The redox reactions are there, and you have to watch these organic chapters, guys. So trust me, most of the students got 100% confidence, okay, after watching these two chapters in organic chemistry. They were not knowing anything about organic. They used to get so scared, but those students started scoring full marks in organic chemistry, and they started loving organic chemistry just because of watching these two chapters. Okay, because 50% of the chemistry is like 33% of the questions in competitive exams is organic, guys. Okay, and many are scared of organic. They mug up organic, but it is not the chemistry that you have to mug up. There is lot of logic, there is lot of basics to be understood, and whether organic chemistry becomes easy or difficult majorly depends on how nicely you understood these chapters. Okay, that is GOC, general organic chemistry, and hydrocarbons. Okay, so trust me, you have to watch these chapters. If you are missing this, definitely you are missing something in class 11 chemistry. Okay, yes, all chapters are covered here, class 11 chemistry. So now coming to stereoisomers. Separately I made about stereochemistry, because you know a lot of concepts are required for competitive exams other than NCERT. All of them I have covered in this module, that I kept it as stereoisomers separately. Okay, so coming to our class 12, right? So yeah, before I go for class 12, let me tell you, if you want to jump into complete course, you can jump. Okay, very reasonable price is there, Independence Day offer. You will never get this offer once again. Okay, you can jump. Otherwise, if you want one chapter to experience, okay, you want to see the videos, you want to see the depth of a content, and then buy, no problem. Okay, so the link is given in the description and comment. Okay, so free access to class 11 chemistry, where I will provide one big chapter. I think in many of the colleges and schools, chemical bonding they will start. So I will give complete chemical bonding chapter free for you. All videos of chemical bonding chapter is freely accessible if you click that link. Okay, 1 week validity would be there. You enjoy all the videos for about 1 week. You decide, and then you can come into complete course. Okay, super. Now let me go for class 12 here. Yes, class 12 also similar to class 11. Okay, you will have all concepts in a recorded form. Okay, solid state chemistry solutions. Of course, for the competitive exam, solid state chemistry is not there, but in some of the boards, Tamil Nadu board, okay, so they have solid state chemistry. So I have included all the chapters here. Okay, so if the chapters are not there for your boards, you know, you can neglect that. Okay, but I have included all chapters of class 12 here, everything covered from basic to advanced. You have to watch these chemical kinetics videos, guys. I trust you. I'll tell you, they are the amazing videos. Here again, I have included the video on log and anti-log because this concept is very, very important for this chapter. Okay. So that's how you have all physical chemistry chapters, wonderful explanation in the videos. Okay, so with all my experience, I made these videos. So just to bring children out from rote learning. I don't want any student to get scared of chemistry. Okay, I don't want any student to mug up chemistry, especially class 11 and 12. It's very easy. Very easily you can improve your score in both JEE and NEET because physics is uncertain. Okay, by default everybody feels difficult, and by default definitely difficulty level is higher. Okay, so biology most easiest you can score. Okay, mathematics many students are comfortable. When physics is uncertain, you will have to think of chemistry to improve your score, right? So chemistry, if you work, it becomes very, very easy for you. So you have to keep this chemistry as a bridge to improve your score. So guys, take up this course, become conceptually strong, and just crack any question of chemistry with ace. And I'll support you with the questions also. If you put up any questions in the community, I would love to answer to your questions. Okay, but you will not be supported with the live classes. Okay, for class 11 and 12 students, I'm not conducting any live classes as of now. All concepts are covered in a recorded format. Okay, for any question, for any doubt in any video, you can put up in the community, immediately we will respond. Okay, so that is about the class 11 and 12 courses. So class 12 all chapters are available. Even class 12 people, if you want to experience one chapter, I will give alcohols, phenols and ethers chapter free for you. Okay, you can watch all videos. 7 days validity would be there. Enjoy the videos. Once you are satisfied with the content, then you can take up the complete course in the app. Okay, but now only if you want to jump into a complete course, yes, welcome, Independence Day offer is there. Okay, so this is all about 10th course, 11th course and 12th course. Okay, so I am working on a mission to bring all the students out from rote learning. So that is the reason I made these wonderful courses. I welcome you all to my courses and make your learning fun. Okay, don't make the learning stressful, make your learning fun filled. Okay, so enjoy learning with my courses. You don't need any tuitions, you don't need to struggle, you don't need to mug up, nothing. You can just enjoy learning. Okay, so that's all about the video, guys. Hope you all got all the points that I told here. You all got about the free courses access and the complete courses access. All the links are given below. For any query, don't forget to message us in our WhatsApp number, which is given, which is popping up above and also given in the comment section and the description. So now tell me, how many of you are coming into my courses? I am excited to know. Comment in the comment section. Okay, so see you all in the next video. Thank you so much.